Hi, Marilyn Millsarps here. And if you ever find yourself saying, damn, this 120 liter Belgian rucksack is pretty big, but I need more space. Well, don't worry. The Belgians have one more solution that they think you might like. Introducing the Belgian drop leg storage bags. So these can either be worn attached to the belt with a leg strap or with the included shoulder straps as sort of shoulder bags. They can be worn at the same time as the ruck. These are roughly about 20 liters of storage apiece, so all in total with this ruck and these bags, you can get 160 liters of storage space on your body, thanks to the good people of Belgium. They are pretty nice inside. They are segmented. They open up quite easily with lots of storage space and some rigid attachments on the inside. So a nice addition to your load-bearing gear should you need more than what this can carry. Have a good one.